Hello, I'm David Butler and thank you for watching Greatmats TV. Today we're going to talk about gym flooring, commercial gym flooring specifically, and the various considerations that you will want to think about before you make your purchase. So the first thing you might want to consider is who's going to be the installer, whether you're going to hire a professional, whether you can do it yourself. Really the most common gym floor type is rolled rubber, and typically that needs to be glued down. So that's traditionally considered a permanent installation. If you want to do a temporary installation, then the conversation might turn towards an interlocking tile that does not require glue. However, tiles are a bit more expensive because of the interlocking water jet cutting process, and that, of course, when added to a large-scale multi-thousand square foot project, it can add up. We do have a 3x3 foot interlocking rubber tile that is great for custom options, whether you want, a 3-color mix or a 30% or a 50% color. The manufacturing process for rolls versus tiles is similar for urethane-based flooring. So you kind of have urethane versus Re-Vulcanized, and those are the two families. Re-Vulcanized uses sulfur and tends to have a higher smell. Enclosed spaces that are smaller, you want to really stay away from a high smell animal type rubber mat. Today in the industry, 3/4 inch thick dummy mats, bully mats, 4x6, all of those are going to be, for the most part, a re-vulcanized process unless you're importing something from overseas or they're making these products from either a virgin or a recycled rubber. Both types of recycled rubber flooring will use either recycled crumb or recycled buffing. Buffings tend to create a better fitting mat where you get less air pockets, you get less voids in the surface, even though they tend to be very small. So buffings, generally speaking, in a rolled rubber or interlocking tile is going to be higher quality. Most of the interlocking recycled rubber floor tiles are made from rubber rolls, and that is especially true with the urethane-based tiles. So generally speaking, they're going to make a roll, they're going to skive the core, and then they'll stamp or water jet cut the interlocking tiles from the larger sheet. Thanks for watching Greatmats TV. It's been my pleasure to be with you today.